Hi everyone, my name is Ali Raza. I'm the founder and CEO of Max Dental Marketing, and today we're going to be touching upon the worst mistake a dental practice can do when it comes to running their digital marketing campaigns. Mistake number one, not treating leads as urgent. When somebody has a problem, when a patient has a problem, they have a toothache, they have a dental emergency, they are looking for a solution immediately. And when they look up your dental practice on Google or wherever they see your ad, they engage with your website or your phone number or your contact us forms. What happens is when a lead comes into the system, they are not treated as urgent. And this is a big dilemma. This is a big conversion killer. You want to make sure that your staff knows that every single lead needs to be treated as urgent, as super urgent. The lead should be ideally contacted within the 5 to 10 minute window, because when you are not able to contact the lead within the 5 to 10 minute window, chances are that patient will go to your competition. I'll give you a quick example. Let's say you are looking for an automotive repair workshop and you have a problem with your vehicle, and that is why you were looking for a workshop. You do a Google search, you find out 4 or 5 different automotive workshops near your local area. You call one of them and they don't attend the phone call. Who do you call next? Do you wait for them to get back to you, or you simply go towards their competition? You simply go towards the next one. This is exactly what happens when people call your dental practice and you don't attend in real time and you don't treat a lead as urgent. Here's an interesting statistic. 50% of the leads will hire the first provider that they speak with. Mistake number two, not attending the phone 24/7. And I don't mean you want to hire a person who can stay awake 24/7. All I mean to say is you want to make sure that a dedicated person should be attending the phone call at least during the clinic practice hours. That front desk staff manager should not be overwhelmed with a lot of different staff, with a lot of different tasks, because if they are occupied with 10 different things, they're not going to proactively attend to the phone call the moment it comes in. Now, there are two options you have. Either you can go ahead and ramp up your staff, you can have 2 or 3 people or just one person who's dedicated to attending the phone call, or you can hire someone like Max Dental Marketing or any other provider who can take calls for your dentistry 24/7. Because the internet does not sleep and your phone can ring anytime. Emergencies can happen anytime. Mistake number 3, not engaging or utilizing 24/7 live chat. I'm pretty sure that most of the dental practice owners know the importance of a live chat system. Most dental practices that we have worked with, they have a good system in place that is able to engage patients in a live chat conversation. But the bad part is whenever we take a look and whenever we do their marketing assessment, we find out that their chat box, their chat system is unavailable. And it says something like, "We're sorry, we're not available right now. Leave a message and somebody will get back to you." When was the last time you saw such a message on any business and then engage with them again? People don't engage with businesses who are not available to take their responses, take their engagements. You need to be there. Your team needs to be there 24/7, or for that matter, during the practice hours, to engage every single visitor or patient who is coming on your website. Mistake number 4, not enough client reviews. I'll say this, not enough reviews is equal to not enough money. If you have more reviews for your dental practice, people will trust you more. Potential patients will trust you more. I'll give you one quick example. You are looking for any service or any product on Amazon, and you do a quick search on Amazon. You find out 5 or 6 different vendors providing that particular product. And most of the vendors are pretty much the same. They have the same pricing, they have the same features, all the products look pretty much the same. But one of them has got more reviews. Who are you going to contact? Probably and very much likely the vendor who has got more reviews. And this is exactly what happens. Dental practice owners need to make sure that every single time they have a review, it should start going up on their Google business profile. Interesting statistic, practices with over 200 plus reviews can see a revenue increase of 44%. Mistake number 5, not having a review portfolio. You want to make sure that your patients, once they're done with their procedure, they should have a system in place where they can leave a review easily, where your team can just open up their phone and take a quick review, where they can just sit on a sofa which has a nice background, and the patient can give a nice before and after review. You want to make sure if this system is not there, chances are your patients will not leave a review. When you make it easy for them, you will see more reviews coming in. You want to consider creating a dedicated page on your website listing all the reviews and testimonials before and afters of every single client who walked into your dental practice and got a procedure done. Because people like to get more affirmations, more confirmations from more people like them who got the procedure done from your dental practice. Mistake number 6, believing in patients' financial limitations. So a person walks into your dentistry and they have a medical procedure that is quite expensive. You tell them the code and they go up. They're like, oh no, that's too expensive. We can't get that. Relax. You want to make sure that every patient who's walking in understands the problem that they're facing. They understand the cost of the treatment being done and what is the cost of that treatment not being done. People will go an extra mile. They can use their credit cards. They can use a loan. They can use any other service which gives them the ability to pay for your service. So you need to relax and make sure that you are showing the value of the services of the dental treatment that your dental practice is providing. Every single time a patient comes in via any channel, your team needs to make sure that that patient is followed up at least 10 to 15 times, because people are so busy. They're busy on their phones, they're busy on their Facebook, they're busy in other life distractions. You want to make sure that your staff is doing at least a 10 to 15 time follow-up with them nicely. You don't want to bomb them with too many emails, too many messages, but at least spacing out the messages and not just relying on phone calls will do the job. If you want us to take a look at your marketing strategy, get in touch with us, call us, live chat with us, and see the plan that we can create for you. We will create an 18-point checklist, an 18-point plan that you can then implement with your marketing team, and that is guaranteed to take your dental practice leads to the next level.